Alright, we are opening the Ring Doorbell wired plugin. Plugin HD video doorbell. I just picked this up from JBHIFI. I've been toying up with the idea of whether to get the Ring or the AU0, but looking at the prices, the Ring seems to be the cheaper and alternative, which has also been around for a lot longer as well. So this item is electronically protected. Okay, so just want to do a quick unboxing of this and see what it looks like. Yes, we are moving into our new place, and definitely want to start introducing some of these smart tech solutions. Especially with some security in the area recently has been having a lot of break-ins. That must be the hard wiring. There we go. Okay, so that's you see there. Put that over there. What else we got here? Installation instructions. Okay, so it looks like you got the bolts, because this is the hardwired edition. Okay, so that's probably installing it. And here's the bad boy. Should probably cover all that up. It's cool. Okay, little camera there. And that's essentially the unboxing. What do we have here? Quick start guide, user guide. Warranty information and little sticker. That's it. Cool. Forgot to include these ones early before. They were hidden right inside the box.